হেল্ল' এভৰিৱান। মই আজি এনেকুৱা এটা ভিডিঅ' দেখাবলৈ গৈ আছোঁ আপোনালোকক, য'ত নেকি ইয়াৰ নহয় বাহিৰত কেৰেলা, তাত মই কাম কৰি আহিছোঁ। আৰু আপোনালোকে চাম বুলি ক'লেও চাব নোৱাৰে সেই জেগা। মই দেখাবলৈ গৈ আছোঁ, আপোনালোকক দেখাবলৈ পাই সুখীও হৈছোঁ। আৰু চব ভিডিঅ'টো কেনেকুৱা।
Cochin Shipyard has signed a contract to build multi-purpose vessels for German shipping company HS Schifferts. The steel cutting ceremony of 6 HS Echo Freighter 7000 DWT multi-purpose vessels was held at CSL earlier this week. This association with HS Schifferts Group marks CSL's entry into the European short sea shipping market, where these vessels are an integral part of the logistics network from North Sea ports to the ports along the south in the Mediterranean Sea. The ice-class vessels being built at the Cochin shipyard have an overall length of 110 meters and breadth of 16.5 meters and are equipped to carry various kinds of cargo, including heavy cargo, steel coils, containers, dry cargoes, timber and paper on worldwide service trade with a carrying capacity of 7,000 tons. CSL has been involved in shipbuilding for over 20 years on an international level, having delivered top quality vessels for various countries such as Norway, the US, Germany, the Netherlands, Denmark and the Middle East. Famous for building India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant, Cochin Shipyard is located in Kerala. It has a rich history of maintaining, repairing and building some of India's biggest navy and commercial vessels. The first ship to roll out of Cochin Shipyard was the MV Rani Padmini in 1981. The shipyard has also delivered two of India's largest double-hull Aframax tankers, each with a deadweight tonnage of 95,000. Several corvettes for the Indian Navy are also currently under construction at the shipyard. CSL's extensive experience and established track record of constructing high-end offshore support vessels, as well as delivering zero-emission autonomous cargo ferries to Norway, have made it the preferred choice for international customers seeking modern shipping solutions. Cochin Shipyard was conceived of in the year 1969 as the first greenfield shipbuilding yard in the country. The yard facilities in the first phase were completed by 1982. The yard was designed and constructed under technical collaboration with the Japanese Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. The shipyard commenced ship repair operations in 1982 and has undertaken repairs of all types of vessels, including upgradation of ships of oil exploration industry, as well as periodical layup repairs and life extension of ships of Navy, UTL, Coast Guard, fisheries and port trust besides merchant fleet. The yard, over the years, has developed adequate capabilities to handle complex and sophisticated repair jobs. CSL has established tie-ups with select specialist firms from Near East, Far East, Southeast, Europe and USA for technology transfer and material packages for shipbuilding, ship repair, platforms, rigs and upgradation of yard facilities. Cochin Shipyard's recent success in securing export orders have been achieved through consistent improvement in productivity and also aggressive marketing undertaken in the last few years.